We have about 178 students here at St. James. We're in the south side of Oklahoma City. It is a very old building. Our school was built in 1956. One of the reasons why we wanted to get the Mitsubishi Trane system is because having the temperature control in each classroom, that's going to give our students more learning time when it comes to their academics. Teachers focusing more on that instead of how hot the classroom is or how cold the classroom is.
When I was here earlier, then we would have a window unit here, and we would have another window unit down there. The window units were both a heating and air. Those did not work very well at all.
It was either blasting AC or blasting heat, so I would actually have one on the AC and one was on heat just to kind of get a medium room temperature. So it was kind of crazy.
They were loud. It took the kids' attention away from what they were doing so that they were unable to focus. Sometimes they didn't even work. A couple of times when we actually had to wear our coats in class.
Hendrik, my son, had been educated on this new system. And he said, "Dad, this is going to work great for you because you don't run those pipes to every room, and we can do it quite easily without doing any damage."
This system would do everything they need to do, and it would do it at a lower cost, save them a bunch of money, and they'd gain space.
We found a niche in having older clients of ours that have older facilities that don't have the room for more traditional HVAC system. We find a way to upgrade their HVAC system for them without aesthetically messing with their historical building.
So whenever I think about installation with a traditional system, you have a lot of ductwork that's traditionally involved. You have a lot of power wiring, you have a lot of piping. Whereas now with the VRF system, you're just setting cassettes down at the field, you're setting branch boxes and your outdoor unit. The interconnection is done with just simple copper piping, and the wiring is highly simplified.
That's where the VRF is so great. It's a couple of pipes and a drain and a little bit of electrical wiring. And you can have a central heat and air system without having to take down walls and build fur downs, and you just don't have to destroy a bunch of stuff.
The VRF system, every single person has their own control over their own classroom, whatever it may be. It's an easy sell because of the comfort aspect of it and everyone having the control of their own space.
On the thermostat, this is extremely easy to use. I can easily adjust the temperature. I can adjust my fan.
Students have increased their test scores in our school in the past few years only because now students are focusing more on the teacher and not on the other distractions when it came to having to control their body climate in the classroom. And so it has been definitely a game changer when it comes to that.
Typical equipment uses about 3.8 kilowatts per ton. This stuff gets down to like 1.4, it gets way down there. If we could get a third of the buildings in the US to use this equipment, that would cut carbon emissions, that would cut energy usage, it would do wonders, not just for the United States, but for the world. And I believe this is one way to do it, is with the VRF high efficiency system.
We're all looking to help with making sure that we are more efficient in all of the things that we do. We're a school, we need to teach our children about safe environment and the things that they do. We all need to be a part of it. You know, you can't just think that somebody else is going to do it for us.